Pradesh Congress Committee President B.K. Hariprasad on June 10th supported State Home Minister Priyank Kharge's demand that the RSS should keep its registration documents ready. Priyank Kharge had said that in a country where roadside vendors are registered, every temple maintains accounts and donations are accounted. The RSS should also be registered. Speaking to media, B.K. Hariprasad said that Priyank Kharge is acting within his constitutional rights. He said that since the RSS describes itself as a patriotic and cultural organization, it is necessary for it to be registered. He added that if the organization is not registered, it is up to the Home Minister to decide what action should be taken in the matter. According to reports, shortly after taking over as Home Minister, Priyank Kharge allegedly received death threats and caste-based derogatory remarks. In response, he had asked the BJP to tell its political supporters referring to the RSS to prepare their registration documents ready. Last year, when Priyank Kharge had demanded a ban on RSS activities in government spaces, he has also repeatedly accused the RSS of engaging in money laundering while questioning its sources of income and its exemption from income tax filings. On June 10th, he reiterated his stance, saying, "I am not asking RSS workers to get ID or registration, but only asking the RSS organization to get registered." So viewers, what's your take on this? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.